The layman's terms for resume, the way I use it is it's a short one-page listed story of your work experience, your professional work experience story, including your education. Anyone who is going to apply for a job or an internship, externship, or even sometimes a prestigious volunteer opportunity, you're going to need your story, your professional work history story on paper or electronic version, something that you can email, PDF, etc. version. So it's really important. That is your calling card, that is your business card, that is what you send to employers even before they know who you are. There are thousands, hundreds of thousands of different styles and formats you can take off of the internet, Google, for free. But based on my experience and many conversations, communications with employers across all the industries, they want something simple, classic, black and white, no color. Also, so many computers these days are being used to screen, called the applicant tracking system. You want your resume classic and simple, neat and clean, spelling, grammatical errors free. That is what the format of a resume should be. And again, we have lots of samples that you can take a look on our website. You want it one column, not two columns, not three columns, no pictures, no colors, no trendy, kitschy type of email address. You might say boring, but you want it classic, simple, clean, and error-free. Common mistakes to avoid on the resume. Using the I word, I did this, I did that. You don't want to do that. The common mistakes, everything from misspelling your name, wrong phone number, to using the same action word over and over again. Common mistakes. I have a job right now. That should be written in present tense. If my job was in the past, it should be in the past tense. So those types of things. You want to talk about relevant points in the job that again matches, that is relevant to the opportunity. You don't want to be too long, and you want the resume style to fill the entire page without looking that it's a traffic jam. And you don't want to just use half the page with a giant white space at the bottom or at the top on the left side. Final words. So thank you for checking out our videos. We work really hard to make this as easy for you as possible. I'm available a lot of times in the dining hall if you'd like to sit with me and have me review your resume or your cover letter. If you'd like to make an appointment with any of us at the Career Development Office, Student Affairs 3rd floor, please feel free to do so during office hours. So you are welcome to reach out to us. And again, we have tons of resources, not just resume and cover letters, all the way from elevator pitch to networking and internships. All of those things are on our website.